and see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Okay guys, so this morning, Daddy, Chef Mike, Ziggy, me, Shauna, is doing some renovations on the basement. So we're tearing down a room because we're trying to open it up. So here we got Chef Mike. So we ripped up the floors. We're taking down all of these walls so that we can open up this area right here and kind of put like a kitchen. Where you see Daddy is, we're gonna cut half the wall right there and stop right there, so to kind of be like an island where you could sit. So that's what Daddy's measuring out right now. And then like all of this would be open up. The camera, I couldn't find the memory chip, so we weren't able to record the before, but I'm pretty sure you guys seen this room before. And this is my professional voice. We got Linux. Ziggy. Take out the floors. So this is how you take out the floor 101. And there you have it. The floor is up. Ziggy's in his zone.
I'm gonna cut this wall out here.
Yeah.
But I need a base point here to make this firm. So I'm putting blocks inside the wall so I can cut the metal studs instead of having them dangling all over the place. I could just cut them flat all the way across, then put a 2x4, which I think that would probably be a better idea. There you go, instead of putting blocks. Only problem I'm gonna have with this wire, I gotta call an electrician and move it, put it up in here, and then back up here. So this idea I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna cut it, cut the studs. It just makes it easier to cut when it's firm. Okay, try to cut this, gonna shake all over the place, but.
So you're just measuring the wall now?
So you're asking why the pencil flat?
Yeah, how come the pencil is so flat?
Because you could use it to measure. Actually, sometimes you need to get a quick measurement without a tape measure.
Yeah.
So it's exactly 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch. So if you see right here, see that? It's 1/2 inch. And it's also 1/4 inch. See that?
Yeah.
Like sometimes you do some little stuff and you need a tape measure. Without grabbing your tape measure, you know, you grab your pencil and use it.
Then we got Ziggy up there or somewhere.
the entrance 2 times.
Exit?
The exit, sorry. So yeah, we miss the exit 2 times, just don't miss the entrance. Oh god, I know, so I'm hungry.
But why do they look like it's not even open? Or is it?
Yeah, it's somebody else. I'm hungry, you know?
Oh, it's right here. This is what I was thinking. Oh, that's the summer one that they're opening. This is the other one.
So we can't go to
But look
them.
how it's not raining here.
We can't go to them. So we are come back again, go and try more food.
Food truck!
You know? But we just say last time we come down here rainfall.
Yes, and now it freaking again.
Oh, but you ain't come with nylon.
But it stopped, look. It's just that little.
It rain only they fall in the middle right down there, so go so they walk.
It makes no sense.
Go so they walk. We always, we always say don't stay in them the rain because of bad luck. Because why they fall only one? No.
Yeah, it's so weird.
And not bad luck, but a blessings. Because something if it happen in that era, the but Father gotta wash off all like, you know, the negative energy or anything will go on, the Father gotta wash away, so nothing go on there. So we just pass through it, so you can't get a blessing to wash off. You should have make some water touch me.
Touching us on the car still.
Yeah, so I start off the one with a vibe. And today we are going to try some more food. You
No
see?
jerk chicken, you're not trying nothing Caribbean you're trying.
Okay, I'm down.
You're trying like, because last time you got your jerk chicken poutine and stuff, and it wasn't even it. It was like,
Of course, that was the bomb.
the
It wasn't
jerk
that?
chicken, no.
Oh, I feel food ain't shot.
It was the tater tots, yeah. Remember?
Oh.
Ooh, they got like a Vietnamese.
Yo, me just try some food
Oh,
today.
shoot.
What happened?
Same parking spot?
Yeah.
Oh my god, how did I get up here last time though?
See.
Dang, it started raining again, fam.
It's my blessings. Yeah, Father God, wash off all I want. Wash off. I'm going to Samite. Wash off all I negative. Don't come
Oh
out.
yeah, see, I think it's true now. Look, he's over
No,
here.
come out. Oh no, boy. Come on, left the video. So if we come in, we are going to some my blessings too. So y'all know when they try, you know, pour down some of the energy that we are washing off. Come off.
Do we bring umbrella? That's what we need to.
Yeah, man. But tell us, say, since I start wash the car, so I have to make sure I say everything there. So I make sure I say I dash 2 umbrella in my car. Come here and say, we are going to go road. Okay.
I know.
Okay. What happened? But yeah. So, we are going to get some food. And trust me, you see, if my belly run, I'm going to chat about it. So we're going to get a little bit of everything. Oh, but they only sell like, oh. So we have to go buy probably like 4 different food. How much food do you have there?
I don't even know what to get. Keisha, there's this taco thing, so I'm going to try that and call her.
Taco.
I remember last time I went to taco and I didn't get it. So we trying food today, son.
You see why I don't think more want to try taco? It's because
Are you here?
a food that me always hear say make people
Where?
belly run.
What's the taco? Huh?
Yes, me. Or just have some crazy fat.
Oh yeah, there's only some of them that are open.
Yes, me. But we are going to try some food and then
No, we just got here.
jump on back
I'm
in
gonna
and
go
make
get something
you know. But go on in. You see, pre. And if y'all went checking that vlog the last time, bless up on yourself.
You know when
And
some people say some stuff's good, it's not good to us.
trust me, it's like the vibes there. I mean, want good vibes. You see me? Like the energy there. You see me? Yeah, though. And yeah.
So the last time we were here, we were actually over there, but now we're gonna come right here to see what they have over here. Okay, let me stop being annoying. Okay, hold on. So most of the trucks are like locked down, but I think they're gonna be opening put more trucks over here in the summertime. But let's see. Yeah, like not a lot of stuff is open, Ziggy.
Okay.
Because like this place is closed. There's poutine and more. The tater tots place is closed. There's something over there. So maybe we should try the other side. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
But I want to see what's at poutine and more. Maybe there'll be something there.
Right.
Poutine and more.
Okay. Go.
Let me tell them. So yo, shout out to everyone who was like showing us love on the last video. I know you guys probably want to see like more of the wedding and stuff like that, but we just want to, like I told you.
Good for that. That's for us, bro.
Yeah, that's our little, you know, our little keepsake.
At first, me not even want, you know, but just see it. I family.
Yeah, we just want to show you bits and pieces. There's some stuff that's nice. Oh, not open. Okay. Okay, see, so like they're not open.
Down.
Okay, remember how I was talking about the tiki bar? That's what I was talking about, like that style. Yeah. So I think this is the side that they're gonna be putting more trucks. Anyways, okay, we're gonna try the other side. Cut through the bush? You must think we're really back home. We want to cut through. Oh yeah, you could have.
Jump the fence.
Whatever. We'll be good today. We'll be good. So it's actually my day off today, guys. Day 1 of my day off. I've been so tired mentally. I'm like,
just sleep.
but I did, because I woke up. When I woke up, I was like 1 o'clock. I'm like, huh?
Look at my finger, buddy.
I remember when I was.
Nice it.
Yeah, okay, fine. I won't share the story. But yeah, you guys seen us come here before.
We come back for more food.
You.
Yes.
The last time I don't think I didn't really get to show the trucks. Have you ever tried cheesecake?
No. I think Shana make a cheesecake come down and I said we try. I remember. Yeah.
So they have a cheesecake truck right here. I seen this. I seen a lot of people said they tried this. I don't know if you'd like it. What is this? Alejandro's Kitchen. Ooh, Mexican. It's like and they have taco. Yeah. Okay, they have.
I'm hungry. Like, I'm seeing food now. I just want food. I just want to eat. Like,
so this is the Caribbean one that we tried last time, but it's closed. Ziggy, you're gonna try beaver's tail today?
What?
You're gonna try beaver's tail today?
Oh, okay.
Burgers, poutine, grilled cheese. Dang, I was really hoping they had the tater tots place open.
What is that?
Egyptian street food. This is Indian. What's this? Burgers, grilled cheese. Okay, so it wasn't really a good day to come down here, clearly. It's about to rain again, too.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I just don't want food.
I know. Oh god, the rain fell right now. So we're trying chicken. It's chicken shawarma, so it's like halal food. But it's really, it's good. Halal.
Why?
You're so rude.
Why? I'm saying halal.
So we're trying some chicken shawarma.
Beef kebab.
We just picked up our second order. We'll show you guys in a minute what we got. Oh no, this one's leaking.
Really good.
Okay, you're smelling the food. Try the drink, man.
Ready.
It's mango mint. Tell me it's not good. It's refreshing, eh? I thought it was gonna be like really, really minty, but like you can't even taste none of the mint. Okay, you're being extra though.
Nice. But
I don't know why Ziggy convinced me in buying all this food. Plus I just bought some grilled chicken melt thing.
you get idea. Mango
mint?
Mint. No, it tastes like lemon, right?
It said lemon. It was a mango mint. But I'm saying you can't taste the mint. Yeah. Yo. We finally got our food, but I just want to say,
We should be sitting outside, fam.
I know.
But
That, see, if we had the SUV, we would be in our.
I know.
We would be in the trunk.
No problem.
But yo, big up to all my subscribers that we are bumping into in our city. Big up T-Dot. Big up your guys' self as per usual for not even being scared to say what up to us. It is so humid.
True.
Bruh. So we just got our food. Ziggy, I don't know how I made him influence me to buy all this food. I have no clue. It's so humid, oh my gosh.
What do you when you go down, so I go down if you try food and it was a turn off. Only through the sauce, the pan. If the sauce in the pan, I feel like it a shot. But anyway, today with there, I try some more food. Honestly, I not eat nothing for a morning because
Me either.
we there and well, me go back go sleep a little bit.
Me too. And I had like 3 chocolate. But this drink right here, this lemonade mint is
this
so
is
good. No, sorry, mango mint. Can we open everything?
Which part we have start?
Show you guys what we got. We got this right here. Didn't really look like how it looked in the picture, but whatever. It's like some Mexican dish, I guess. Then we have our fries and samosas. We have our grilled sandwich. And where's the shawarma? Why does your face look like that?
I think I made a bad decision.
You did.
Yeah.
But you said you want to try. And then we have our shawarma right here.
Why you get more fries when we have so much fries?
No, I think the guy did that. Not you crying.
Yeah.
This looks like a lot though. You know what? I didn't get rice. You said you wanted rice.
Can't make it feel my belly.
No, Ziggy, this is good. Oh my god. This is good. I swear to God.
Okay. May I go fries? I'm coming in, man.
The only thing I don't like is this, but I know what it is.
What is it?
I used to buy at No Frills, the chips. Tell me you can't go on. Let me try your rice. Mexican rice.
First may I try Mexican food. What?
Give it a chance, like.
You know, in a
The
bad
salad's good though. We should have just got the salad.
In a bad still.
Why are you pulling it from me?
I take off too much of it.
I low-key wish we had just gotten the salad. The salad is really good. The rice is like, maybe because it's like the type of rice that we usually eat, but I'm gonna make this fall. This is gonna fall. I can't even juke it.
Right. That was so tough. I see what you say?
That's the only thing I don't like about it, yeah. Get the salad next time though. I'm not gonna get the rice.
More pepper.
That's all pepper in the corner.
This? The pepper pani make it. Pepper pani make it young one. Wow.
Bro, you're eating like a like you never eat before. And you like it, you know, you like it. You like it. Ziggy, you like it.
Let me take one more spoon.
What the hell are you slurping? What's your
Young one.
Yo! This is not half and half, by the way. So either you ate off all the salad or This I would give
That now
7
yeah.
out of 10. Woo! Am I fully ready? Okay, so now you're gonna try your Indian food, samosas. You like it?
Yes, no.
The other day I had samosas. I went to this place, so I had samosas and it was actually really, really good. Like, it was one of the best samosas I ever had. So right now this has like potato and all this peas and stuff in it. But the other day I went somewhere and like this Jamaican guy made it. It was so good, guys. That was like literally the best samosas I've ever had.
Jamaican man, they cook, girl.
Oh, that was work. At work.
Careful. I know my fellow Jamaican there. I know my brother them. So.
Nah, we don't. That food was just brought up to us.
Brothers, you don't make no man cook you no woman. Yeah. Rose of Jamaican Caribbean no make no man cook you no woman. That is a sign of opening doors.
No, it's not.
You
Stop
know?
it.
My mama tell him. Oh, you know I know why Nisha am really far from me because I cook something they can go and give me one night.
That don't sound good. You put something in there to catch me?
One time you know feel so good, I think you kind of feel sick.
Yeah, I said I was like tired of the
cook
restaurant
some
food.
soup. Yeah, by the time I have to go and go cook some soup. Cook some chicken soup. You know, you feel sick and don't scheme with it. Or down on the block there. Yeah? I go down, wrap up some soup.
You guys see that?
Real chicken soup. Come gear. Not even 1 hour after.
No. Let me tell you, when I first told him I wasn't feeling good, I was shocked that he went down to make me soup and came back with that. I was like,
Polly remedy.
oh.
Why is your face sick?
So wait, did you make it or did Polly make it?
How you that one? What was
How are you that one?
Yeah man. Go down and cook 1 pot of soup. You know? Chilla them jing soup, George them jing soup, Polly jing you know? I just carry a fair bowl, a fair bowl. A soup go here, you know? And next time mama say she kinda tired of chicken and so I just go down and wrap up some, you know, steamed veg and something properly. You don't know, so we have a proper seasoning in the yard and settings, you know. And one thing we left, you know, I just wipe me finger in my plate, so.
Boy, bye. Where's the ketchup?
Them there.
You're full already? Because I'm full.
Okay.
Thank you.
Me don't know what this.
Shawarma.
Oh, Sharma.
Shawarma.
No, not Sharma. Shawarma.
Shawarma.
Shawarma. Shawar.
Shawarma. Shawarma.
Shawarma.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Or cucumber.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Certificate.
Hey, come on, that food. Certificate. Certificate.
Certificate. What do people say? Certificate. Certificate. They say something like different. You in the paper. Ew. Is that one good? Is that one okay?
No, pepper not there.
Dip it in this pepper. This sriracha. Ziggy, bite that side. Don't make it uneven.
Why?
Because you have that side already. Bite it. Let me try it.
Back apart.
There's nothing there. Look at all the, you guys. Look where all the meat. Can you get, how's it focus? Get your face out of the camera. Look where all the meat is on one side and Ziggy wants me to bite it. No, I'm biting where you put all the pepper and there's pickles in it. Do you eat pickles?
Now put back in there. Take out the leg.
This is good. I've never had a shawarma with pickle in it, but this one. Are you?
What I don't like about pickle? It's so nice.
So good, yeah.
Okay. Yo, me say one man though, they say man just wicked or fuck. The man says already there, you know. And everybody turn up the weight for food and the man come with him 3 juicy burger to, you know.
It's not focused.
3 juicy burger.
Say that all
And
again
man-
because it wasn't focused just now, was it?
I remember what I mean.
Man wicked.
See, so after we did the weight, you know, the man go buy one burger. No, I know one burger, you know. One burger but a 3 night, 3 liquor one. And the man just come turn up right in front of we. Knowing say we did how long they wait for food now, I tell you say like you hungry, they kicking and the man just take out the burger and just bite it and then you see juice they run out of it. What a man wicked. And then he sit down and eat it, what, 2 of them? Or 3. And then he asks the other man say, man, you sure you don't want it? Like he was say, you sure you don't want it? Like,
He gave him one though. He was asking if he wanted another one.
So 4 come in there then.
Either 3 or 4.
Because Mr. My man eat 2 first.
Oh, really?
And then the last one, he say, bro, you sure you don't want it? Like the boss will say, yo, bro, you the part, you sure you don't want this guy ready before. You gonna eat so much something?
Pass me it. Here, put this in there. So wicked.
No chickens in your buy.
Yeah.
What is bacon?
It's chicken, bacon. Look, money bug. Money bug, money bug.
Okay, go.
I can't, yo.
That. Okay, walk.
Okay. What are you doing?
You want to eat off all of that. Okay, I love that.
You guys are not taking. You guys are not taking it in. How Z is literally bullying me for food that we bought to share.
We are sharing. That's what we're doing now. Let's share with the share
I
now.
don't feel like we're sharing. I feel like it's like, here, sample it. The rest is mine.
Because.
Oh, this is good. Ah! Not you biting off my finger. Not you biting off my finger. Tell me it don't taste good. And you love grilled cheese. This is good. If you like grilled cheese, this right here, the tattoo.
You see?
You guys see what I'm saying though? You guys see me take what? 1.5 bite. Watch him.
We are share this because we almost.
Give me. So greedy, yo. The pop.
What?
It's my pop. You drink out the juice and then you're gonna go for my pop.
Am I cup enough?
But you were
You
done your
just come
drink.
like you come by my land, come build one house. I
You were done your drink though.
Yeah, boy, my God. Hurry up, man, don't drink.
Pour it in here. Pour it in here.
So after this now.
I was looking for it and you told me it's not there.
So basically I say I feel your car. I'm coming I come find it, so I feel. I come and show it.
Yeah, mix
so
it
I
with
feel me buckle.
Mix it
and
with
you throw your drinks in this, I feel me. Exactly.
But who's...
That have liquor spice in it and pepper. Well, on.
Remember I told you this spicy? That's disrespectful. Guys, look what Ziggy left me.
Me now left you give a minute to throw you away. Cause bird right this one.
That's rude.
Figgy bird that.
Give me the other piece of the sandwich.
We're going home.
I'm hungry right now. Give me the other piece of sandwich.
After I'm watching you and you're still hungry.
But Ziggy, everything I've literally ate, you like took it from me.
I'll take you out of that box. Box. Ha!
You know what's funny? I bought this grilled sandwich for myself, not for us.
Oh, I thought you bought it first.
Oh, that's flat. How are you drinking it so flat? How do you rate the Mexican food? The bowl?
The bowl? Oh.
The rice and the salad.
Not bad. But, you know, bad, which one I would I give it 1 8 or 1 9 would I give it 1 6.
What? Bro, okay, no. I'm giving that like a 7.5. The salad was good. The rice I'm not a big fan
That's
of.
what I'm saying. I'm saying 6, you're saying 7.5. How far is that?
6.
Like, 1.5? 1.5?
Holy camera probably.
1.5? And you can't do 6.5. You have to do 6 or 7.
Okay, rate it a 7.
Oh, and I give it a 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you rate the Indian one? That's the shawarma, the samosas.
Me get that one day 7.
That one was pretty good still. I give it a 7 too. Actually, that can go for an 8. It was good. The
give it a
pita was
7.
like nice and crunchy. The pickles, the pickles just topped it off. It was good. It was flavorful.
You see, I'm gonna eat some curry chicken, some proper curry chicken, and I have to say, yes, sir. Now and then I get like none of them. Alright, you see one when we get the first time.
Oh,
that
like
was
the
a
tater tot.
That was lit.
One was good.
Yeah, that the one they may have to get that the one the props. You know this the Samosa.
Samosa.
But I get that one there 7. Big man levers. You know?
And then the grilled cheese. That I'm giving like a 9. That one was flavorful. You never, it's really not like rare you get grilled cheese that's like flavorful.
7.5.
Okay, you're boosting. You even said it was good. It was good.
Yeah, it's because the pepper in it, so I give the half for the pepper.
It was actually really good.
They can go on, but I'm not button on 9, 10.
I give, what's me rating it? You don't watch my numbers. You watch your numbers.
What you get 10? What you get 9?
I said the grilled cheese was good. I gave it a 9.
I gave it a 9. And it's a 9.
It was good.
Yeah, so.
Okay, you're saying you're gonna give it a 7, you said?
A 7.5.
What more could have really made it not like get high, like a 10? The grilled cheese. Knowing that usually grilled cheese is literally just cheese and bread. That one was like chicken, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Like that one was good and had pesto on it, bro.
I was like, honestly, when I give the 8, but you have a bacon in it, I don't like bacon, so it crap.
Wow.
That take off his you had a half the pepper. Because right now, without the pepper in it, I just give one normal 6. I want 7. But because if pepper when in it now, me give it half.
If it was,
and take him, 8 me give it.
okay.
But because I bacon, me I give 7.5.
Like spicy, like even more spicy than how she did it, I feel like that would have even made me like 9.5 it. But it was just missing the little bit of pepper still.
Well,
other than that though, it was like if there was a grilled cheese, it was good.
We can take some late cutting pan lane and so.
So yo, we went to a dealership the other day. Actually went to like 2 or 3. Was it 2 or 3? To go look at some cars. I literally started vlogging and then I stopped because again when we went on the road it started raining, and then it was just so frustrating. Like, it was just
We
overwhelming.
get thrown off.
Yeah, we were thrown off and it was just so overwhelming. So open up blocking the mic.
Oh crap. Hopefully. I don't think so.
Yeah, also I apologize for the shitty volume quality. I don't know what's going on. I guess it's the mic.
Tight.
But yeah, I was saying I'm sorry for the quality sound lately. I don't know what's up with my camera. I look, you want to get a new one, but I just don't know like which out yet. And this one still works, is why I would not go and buy a new one. So I'm just like,
Anyway. Yeah, so right now we are go up home. You know? We are go home. Shana probably pick up Nyla already, so you know, so we just go straight home. So you don't know. I know they say done Nisha probably go in after vlog yet, man.
you always say that.
But
You always
I'm
say
dead. We're out. Bodo do. Bang!
Live over your lawn, been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.